So we come to the end, and it's been a bit of an epic hike. Started off with a kookaburra, having a cup of tea with a kookaburra. Then we saw a snake. I was thinking this is going to be epic. Wall Trail says it's a 7.5k walk. My watch, what's your watch say? 9.01 on the watches. But it's been amazing. Like absolutely, the waterfalls were pumping. And then there was like a feeling of that a dinosaur was going to just come out of nowhere and eat us alive, because it was that kind of scenery. We've just spent the last 3Ks hiking up this hill back to the car, which has been incredibly difficult, but the reward is just so good. I'd recommend this hike. We're now going to go get a nice sausage roll, tomato sauce. Jen's going to have a Coke, and I'm going to have a nice cold coffee. So hope you enjoyed this. Jenna is going to get in the final shot before we close out. Bye! Just arrived in the car park. Got a cup of tea on the go. The car's there. There's no one around. And we're just about to hike to Minyon Falls. And as we come down, Jenna has just pointed out that there's a kookaburra just here. So I'm not going to get too close, but wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Like, where is he? Can you see him? Just here? So cool. So join us for Minyon Falls. It's going to be a good one. It's a beautiful waterfall, beautiful hike, and it's going to be good because it's been raining, so the water is going to be pumping. Let's go. In the background you can see the waterfall. So yeah, this is going to be a good one, because at the end we're going to be or I'm going to be swimming, so I'm looking forward to that. But okay, let's go enjoy this. We've walked up this hill for approximately 2 minutes, and just in front of me here, I'll show you, is a snake that Jenna almost walked on. It looks like a brown snake, apparently. It could be a tree snake, I don't know, but you really have to be alert and watching where you're going. But wow, walk through here, and then we get to a lookout point. It is incredibly foggy today, so I don't know if we're going to see anything as such, but you can definitely enjoy this. Oh, that is quite cool actually. So and keep walking around, and you can see the water coming off this cliff. Holy moly, right? Let's spin this way. Hey, wowza. And then we keep coming. How's it looking? Holy shit. Oh wow. Woo. Oh, that is a big... Okay, I'll just do a selfie, and then I'll show you what's going on. But that's cool. There she goes. I'm super conscious I do not want to drop my phone. Don't lean over too much. But in a few moments we'll be at the bottom of that, and hopefully
maybe an hour and a half.
I'll be swimming down there. But yeah, not much of a view, but woo, so cool. Let's go. Let's go, babes. How good is this, eh? Woo! Australia is doing it for me. I absolutely bloody love doing stuff like this. So yeah, let's carry on. There's something about Australia that just connects you with nature. It's hard not to feel connected with a place like this. Like, the trees are just beautiful. The sounds, you can hear the birds, the wind in the trees. Haven't seen anyone, haven't heard any cars, any aeroplanes. All you've got is what's in front of you, and you have to really slow down. It makes you feel connected and grounded, and you have to slow down to watch out for anything that can kill you. So every walk we've done has been unique in its own way, and this has also been really, really awesome. But even on a rainy day or a wet day, I'm a very happy customer. Thank you, Australia, for having me. So good. We're 3k's into the walk now, and we've just come off the path, because all trails, that's what we're following. So I'll put the trail up, what we're doing, I'll put it up now. And what it does is it says swing a right, and then you can go down to this other waterfall. So within this walk, we've got Minyon Waterfall, and then you've got this other one. So we're just walking down now to have a little look, and it's just really, really nice. Yeah, I said to Jen, is this official bushwalking now? And she's like, absolutely. So this is what we've got to walk down. So just got to keep going down there. Yeah, and hope that we don't see any more snakes on our journey. But when we get back up there, we're going to carry on, head for Minyon Waterfalls, and I'm going for a swim. I think it's going to be icy cold, but it should be alright. I keep saying to Jen, like, this is mad, right? Because essentially it's the equivalent of November in the UK as we go into winter in Australia. And I'm still walking around in shorts and a t-shirt. I'm going to go for a swim. And you just wouldn't do that in the UK. You'll be locked up away, a nice little fire going, and getting down all cozy. Whereas here, it's outside all the time. But wow. Amazing, amazing place. And look at the smile on my wife's face as well. Hey? Happy days. Let's go. do decide to walk this way, just be careful of that because it's very slippery. So the only, as far as we're going to go, is just to this point here, but it does look absolutely awesome. And the water coming from all the way down there. And then there's a viewpoint, like literally just behind me there, but to walk on these rocks is like an ice rink. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to appreciate like this bit because it is so stunning. And there's like all little water running through that, running through the rocks. And then there's an area which you probably could swim in, but I'm going to save myself. So we're just going to enjoy it here for a minute and then we're going to move on. One of the best things about walking in places like this, we haven't seen anyone for like nearly an hour and a half, and we're just walking through, and you've got all this beautiful scenes, and you have it to yourself. Like, it's just so good. And this is only, what is it, hour and 45 minutes from home, which is awesome. So we've walked down after we got to that bit that I just showed with the waterfall where it was really slippery, and we couldn't see off the edge, and we've just come down around and down to this point, and we've looked over and you can see the waterfall is absolutely gushing, and that's not even Minyon Falls, that's just another waterfall.
Just an extra little bonus waterfall.
Little bonus. It's like, what is it when you play the PlayStation? You have like the little secret side quest.
Bonus round? I don't know.
The bonus round, or like the Easter eggy kind of things. This is an Easter egg. I make it sound like a game when I don't, but this is cool. This has been my favourite part of the walk. There's just something truly magical about being in the rainforest, walking along and seeing all the trees, hearing all the birds, and hopefully this has inspired someone to get out there in nature, have a look around, see what's there, because this is just next level. It's just magic, absolute magic. How good's this? It's like inside the thing. What the? we're just walking through here, right? And I'm literally just waiting for a dinosaur to jump out, because that's the kind of vibe that it's giving me. There's like mist coming through, and it's just so epic. And the way that the light is hitting the trees with the mist. Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
So cool. It's beautiful. Like, oh, I'm gonna get some pictures here because it's stunning. We're getting closer to the Minyon's waterfall now, and you can hear it, and you get further and further into this forest, and then I haven't seen it yet, but I suspect that she is humping, because the noise is pretty loud and we're still quite far away. So I am loving this walk. It is one of the best we've done, and I'm looking forward to seeing that epic waterfall. Oh, you can see it here, just behind me. Woo. How good. How good is that? Woo! What do you think, Jen?
Yeah, lovely.
So today, unfortunately, I didn't get to swim. And sometimes you have to listen to your wife, your Australian wife, who knows best. And also you have to listen to Mother Nature, that's saying, I will tear your head off if you get in this water. So today was observing, watching, looking, but no swimming. And next time, hopefully, I get to swim in a different one that's not as epic, but either way, it's absolutely blooming stunning. One of the most beautiful things I've seen in my life, and I'd recommend it to anyone. Just, there is a lot of rock scrambling to do, but oh my word, so epic. Whew. But this has been one of the more epic adventures we've had recently. So we've done about 8 Ks. We've seen lots of animals, lots of creatures, beautiful trees, birds, and lots of waterfalls. So if you did enjoy this, give us a like and subscribe. There's more of this to come. And thanks for being here. Thanks for joining us. been awesome. I love Australia.